Okay, so I am using the drone software Litchi. I figure as I'm using it, I will go ahead and record what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and start with settings. So there's a lot of settings you can do. You can do like when it's taking a turn, how fast you want to go. Going 8 meters per second. For this pass, I want to go just a little bit slower. You can do, metric or imperial units, stuff like that. The map. Let me see if I can do map. So um, these three properties are the ones I'm going to drone. So I already dropped one. The purple one's where your drone's going to start, basically, and the this one, that right click is going to be where your camera is going to point. So I'm going to go ahead and probably point here. And then, sorry, screwed up. So POV, right, point of interest. I will fly to, I want to fly like this, pointing this way. Fly to point number 2, right? And I want this to be pointed at, it will come around. It will come like this. And as soon as it looks up, I want it to look forward here. To point of interest. I'm going to make this one point of interest number 2. So as it's flying, it'll look over here and then it'll look straight, and then it will do. We're going to put a 3 here. I want the 3 still be. You want to go like this. I want it to turn the corner. I want this 3 to be slightly wider. I'm going to put a 4 here. So it'll turn the corner, still looking this way, and then I want to put a point of interest 3 right there. So it will fly like this, pointing that way. The camera will still point slightly around, and then it will turn around. So I want 4 to be facing point of interest 3. 5 will be pointed actually looking this way. And then I would like it to swing around. 6 over here. And actually, I'm fine with 6 pointing that way. I'm fine with 7 pointing. Oh, sorry. I'm fine with 7 pointing that way as well. But probably I want 7 to be pointing somewhere around there. 7 will point interest, and then point 8, I wanted to point forward here. All right, so I want probably something like this. I want 8 to be pointing forward. 6, and then I want to fly around. Probably point of interest 9. I want to be pointing inward here. Remove this bad boy out to move all these guys flight out path so they can take a look inward. Flight path point of interest 9, I want to be looking at 7. And then probably 10 right here. I want to be looking at point of interest 8. Probably. And then let's see. Point of interest 8. So it should come around, look over here, come over here, look, take that big tail spin around the corner. I'll probably widen it this time just a little bit. Right. And it should circle with the camera pointed inward at all times. Next, I usually go around and check 30 meters, 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 30 meters. So I don't crash the I don't crash it. Make sure that, and then for the view, 5 meters. See, likely I want them to actually look up at 5 meters. Sorry, I don't. What did you do? 5 meters. 5 meters. One, because this is 5 meters. 5 meters. There's one here. 5 meters. Meters. There was a default somewhere I forgot to set. I don't know where, but that's okay. 5 meters. So this is all done for the mission, basically, right? So I come over here and save. Mission name. This is owner's name is Carlos. Carlos, 3 lots, Bobby Burns. Or actually, this is on Tate Street, 77028. So that will be the program that loads. And that is it. That's it. And that's the entire drone software. So tomorrow when I fly it, I can just start here, press play, and then it will just zoom around. That's it.